Welcome to our in-depth comparison of two powerful AMD processors, the Ryzen 5500 and the Ryzen 9795OX. In this video, we will dissect their features, performance metrics, and pricing to help you decide which CPU is the right fit for your computing needs. Whether you're a gamer on a budget or a professional content creator, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the AMD Ryzen 5500 is a budget-friendly option at just $159, making it an excellent choice for gamers and casual users looking for great performance without breaking the bank. In contrast, the Ryzen 9795OX commands a premium price of $699, targeting professionals and enthusiasts who require top-tier performance for demanding tasks. This stark difference in price highlights the distinct market segments these processors cater to. In terms of performance, the Ryzen 5500, with its 6 cores and 12 threads, delivers solid gaming performance, especially for 108OP gaming. However, the Ryzen 9795OX takes performance to a whole new level with its 16 cores and 32 threads, making it a powerhouse for content creation, 3D rendering, and heavy multitasking. The difference in core count and architecture results in significantly better performance for the Ryzen 9, especially in multi-threaded applications. Another important factor to consider is the cooling solution. The Ryzen 5500 comes with the Wraith Stealth Cooler included, which is sufficient for its 65 WTDP, making it easy for users to set up. On the other hand, the Ryzen 9795OX does not include a cooler and has a much higher TDP of 170W, necessitating a robust aftermarket cooling solution to maintain optimal temperatures during heavy workloads. This aspect adds to the overall cost and complexity of building a system around the Ryzen 9. In conclusion, the choice between the AMD Ryzen 5500 and the Ryzen 9795OX ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. The Ryzen 5500 is perfect for gamers and everyday users looking for excellent value, while the Ryzen 9795OX is designed for professionals who need the best performance available. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.